Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for February 22nd. We are currently looking at the US-Japanese pair. This pair closed down, did retrace the gap, closed down, however. We are looking for it to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 92.41, possibly as low as 90.50. Look for some resistance around 91.50 and look for some support around 90.95. Now switching over to the Euro-USD pair, this pair gapped up, closed lower, did fill the gap. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 137.15. Look for it to go as low as 134.97. Now let's take a look at the resistance. Find some resistance around 136.55 and find some support around 135.25. Now looking at the pound US dollar pair, this pair created an inside bar today, so look for a breakout. It did close up, did fill the gap. Look for it to potentially move as high as 156.04, possibly as low as 153.39. Look for some resistance around 155.50 and look for some support around 154.25. Okay, now the US Swiss, this pair closed up. It did fill the gap. It is moving sideways with the bias that is sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 108.46, possibly as low as 106.91. Look for some resistance around 107.90 and look for some support around 107.20. Well, as far as news announcements goes, we have the U.S. consumer confidence for February being released at 10 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Consensus on that is that things have dropped a little bit from 55.9 to 54.8. We also have the Reserve Bank of New Zealand releasing their 2-year inflation expectations for the first quarter at 9 p.m. No real consensus on that as of yet, so definitely keep an eye on those two. Well, as far as what I'm looking for, still looking for the pound to break out. We have an inside bar. So not only do we have the Euro-USD, it did move lower. And if you look at the pound, it pretty much created a doji bar and closed up just by a little bit. Still looking for it to break out. Take these 2 points. Draw your trend line, look for a buy, and then look to exit up here if we get a swing. If we don't, if it pulls down, then we don't have a trade. However, I'm still looking for this. It's about a 75 pip worth of movement, 75 to 80 pips worth of profit there. Well, that pretty much does it for today. So until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.